Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to block ads on Chrome in your PC. For that, make sure you open your Google Chrome. Now at the top right, you can see three-dot icon. You can click on that. And at the bottom, you can see the option settings just above exit. Click on that. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the left side you can see various options. You need to click on the option privacy and security. Now here if you scroll down a bit, there you will see the option site settings. You need to click on that. Again you will be led to this kind of page. Now scroll down and there you will see the option embedded content. You need to click on that. Now currently it is on a sites can ask to use info they've said about you option. Now you need to click on this option. After that you can go back and scroll down and there you will see the option pop-ups and redirects. You need to click on that. Now here you need to click on this option, don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. And this is how you can block ads on your Google Chrome in your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.